Bismillahirrahmanirrahim wa ba'd. In this video I'll be explaining the 4 types of worshipping Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Like in our last video we talked about what is worshipping. We said worshipping is ism jami, is a name jami that gathers لكل ما يحبه الله, everything that God likes, ويرضاه من الأقوال, and makes him happy from the words you say, والأفعال, and the things we do, ظاهرة والباطل, in public and in secret. So you fear God in public and in secret. So in this video I'll be breaking down the 4 types of worshipping. The first type is ibadati kalbiya, worshipping in terms of the heart. That is ikhlas, the feeling you put in when you're going to worship Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. It is mainly the intention. Like we have qawl lisan wa qawlul qalb. We have a word of the tongue and a word of the heart. That is ikhlas. Do you get my point out there? That is ibadatu qalbiya, using your heart to worship Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. It is the feeling you feel that you should worship Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. وَمَا أُمِرُوا قَوْلُهُ تَعَالَى وَمَا أُمِرُوا إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مُخْلِصِينَ لَهُ الدِّينَ حُنَفَاءَ وَيُقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَيُؤْتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَمِن ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. Like Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala says, He never commanded anything towards a human being apart from worshipping Him alone and worshipping Him alone and being with that intention, getting all of himself towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, be giving all his problems towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, knowing that He is there for him. وَيُقِيمُوا صَلَاةً, and he performs praying, وَيُؤْتُوا zakat, and gives out charity from his wealth. ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ. That is the right religion. That is a complete religion. فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّذِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ إِلَيْهِ لَا تَبْدِيلَ من خلق الرحمن ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون. And put all your faith towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, through which man was created. There is no change in his creation, and it is a right faith. That religion will direct you towards faith and believing in Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. So the first type of ibadah is ibadat kalbiya. The second type of ibadah, the second type of worshipping is ibadat qawliya, using your mouth to praise Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. The words you say, God considers the words you say. Everything you utter out in your mouth is considered. If you speak something that praises God, if you speak something that makes God happy, you will get a reward. If you speak something that does not make God happy, you will face the punishment. That's why God gave you everything that you have. Your arm, your leg, your mouth. You will be questioned how you use those things. That's why God says, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنُّ وَالْإِنسُ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. I never created the demons and people apart from worshipping me. And in this video I'm breaking down the 4 types of worshipping. We've already covered 2 types, which we have ibadat kalbiya, ibadat qawliya, praising. So praying 5 times a day covers all types of worshipping, like the way we shall see them. Qawliya, like when the words you speak during praying, badaniya, the actions you make during praying. You're using your body to praise Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Qawliya, fi'liya, you first bring that intention that you're going to pray. You do it with that feeling that you're doing it for the sake of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Don't do it to be praised by anyone. Do you get my point? Like people seeing you that guy likes praying. Don't do it for that sake. Doing it knowing that Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, jazauka mawjud, your payment is there. You're seeking for God's blessings. Like I've told you that this body, you will be questioned about how you used your body. If you have money and you're putting that money in haram, you will be questioned. Do you get my point out there? And then the third type of worshipping, we have ibadati, badaniya, using your body. Like those days before, Muslims used to go for jihad, fighting for the sake of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. When you're going to the mosque, you use your body to go to the mosque. That is ibadati, badaniya. And the fourth is ibadat fi'liya, worshipping in terms of what you do, things you do. Like Allah tabarak wa ta'ala says, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِلزَّكَاةِ فَاعِلُونَ, and those ones who give out from their wealth. When you're going to give out, it's an action. You get into your pocket and then give out for the sake of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Here, all pillars of Islam cover all types of worshipping. Like fasting, you stop yourself from eating the mouth. You will not eat. You bring that intention that I'm going to fast, looking for that satisfaction of God, fulfilling that pillar. That pillar, it is for everyone, Bali, who is mature, who is not insane. So if you don't fast and you have the ability, you're not sick, you will be questioned. Like in the 5 pillars of Islam, there are 2 pillars which are not for everyone. Like charity, you might not be having money, then it's not wajib for you to give out charity. Charity is tax you give from your wealth. It's like tax. Did you get my point out there? So there is going Makkah for pilgrimage. You might not be having that money, so that one is option to you. But if you have money, then that thing becomes wajib for you to fulfill. So in this video, we've been looking at the 4 types of worshipping, whereby we said the first type is ibadat kalpiya, ibadah worshipping in terms of your heart, ibadat kauliya, using your mouth, the words you say, ibadat badaniya, using your body to worship God, and then ibadat fi'liya, what you do for the sake of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. So get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Cancer Records and Entertainment, Arrows Records, forever peace and love. Subscribe to this video and then share. Be part of my da'wah. I'm here to give out, to call you towards Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. That is my aim here, and that is the aim of this channel. Peace and love. Like and share.